Nigerians, you people should come home. I don't wise up now. Saidaboj Toto, now that girl a very cheap girl na she be. Now no say the girl no even get level. 20 million naira and your age mate they collect Lamborghini for the same thing. You know understand? Now I don't think I'm upon myself say I don't drop Saidaboj. Now that girl now want they follow now. I say make I carry 20 million and follow Saidaboj. I rather save up money, carry that money, go give Sophia. You know the girl house?
No, the girl is staying and
nobody talking at this area.
Na flight will take go now.
Na flight will take go.
Yeah.
When I come, carry the camera, come. Let's go and fly. Mo go see this girl. You know understand? Carry the camera, come. Okay, guys, on my way to the airport to go and see Sophia. See drink, and I want to honor this guy. I need to worship this guy as my Messiah and my black Jesus that girl be. You know understand? Guys, let's go to the airport. Let's go and fly. Okay, now I'm in the airport now. I tell you before, what did that girl to make her the charge Lambo for one doggy? I won't go see her. You know understand? That's so life just be.
I really appreciate the Lord. You know that.
Like and subscribe.